Hi everyone, I am Agavni Muradian. It's an honor to be here today to share something that is deeply important to me. Image being sick and unable to afford the treatment you need. Picture a mother forced to choose between paying for her child's medication or putting food on the table. These situations are real for millions of people and they highlight the grossing issue in our society healthcare equality. My name is Ahavni Muradian, and today I am advocating for a world where access to quality healthcare is not determined by income, race, or social status. Healthcare equity means that everyone, regardless of their background, has fair access to medical services, treatments, and preventative care. In the United States, healthcare disparities are a significant issue. Studies show that low income families and marginalized communities often face barriers to necessary treatments due to high costs, lack of insurance, and limited healthcare facilities in their areas. This is not just an economic issue, it is a human rights issue. Without proper medical care, people suffer unnecessary and health problems that could have been prevented spiral out of control. This cause is deeply personal to me. I have seen firsthand how difficult it can be for families to afford medical care. Whether it is a relative struggling to pay for a roof checkup or a friend forced to delay necessary treatments, the reality of healthcare inequality affects people in the ways we cannot ignore. If no one advocates for change, these problems will persist and millions will continue to suffer. Beyond personal experiences, the lack of healthcare equality affects society as a whole. When people cannot afford treatment, illnesses spread and emergency rooms become overgrown with patients who could have been treated earlier though. Preventive care. This raises healthcare costs for everyone and places unnecessary strain on the system. So, what can we do? We can push for policy changes, advocate for affordable healthcare options, and support organizations that provide medical services to underserved communities. Small actions such as raising awareness and voting for leaders who prioritize healthcare reforms can lead to big changes. As a student and future professional, I believe that speaking out on these issues is essential. Healthcare should not be a luxury that only a few can afford. We need more voices, more conversations, and more people willing to stand up for healthcare justice.